Is a data analyst course worth it? Well, by course, I mean the hundreds and thousands of certificates available on data analytics. Are they better than a degree? Well, the answer can be both yes and no, depending on several factors like which certificate you decide to choose and, more importantly, what you learn from it. Yes, adding a flashy statement of having completed a certificate course in your resume and LinkedIn could seem like a step closer to landing in your dream company. But that's not really how things work in the real world. Just having a piece of paper with your name on it will not add any value until and unless you actually gain skills and knowledge from it. If I say that I have a certification from Google but I don't know basics like getting the insights out of data, it is obvious that no business would prefer hiring a candidate like that. Well, in this particular video, we are going to tell you how you can land a job in the best IT companies. Also, to come across more informative videos like this one, do subscribe to Intellipaat's YouTube channel. So, if you've made up your mind about becoming a data analyst, here's what you need to know. You do not need to be from a BTech background or even have a degree to begin with. Yes, you heard me right. What really matters is whether you have the skills, whether you can take the raw data and make sense out of it. So, where does certifications help? Are there any industry point of reference certifications available in the domain of data analytics? For example, if I were to make my career in finance and if I do CFA or CA certifications, they set me apart from competition. Well, the thing is, there is no point of reference certification for data analytics. The certification programs out there might claim that they hold immense value in recruitment, but that's not true. Certification will never get you hired. What will get you hired is the skills and projects that you've done. And if you are an absolute beginner and don't have any idea about what data analytics is, in that case, certificate courses or live instructor led training programs do help you to get started. Certificate courses include all the skills required to become a data analyst. Here, learning is more practical and skill focused. So, that is why it is preferred to go for a certificate course when you're trying to learn a new skill. If you were to learn data analytics within a college engineering degree, you would get a low level overview of concepts like inferential statistics or web scraping. You will not exactly learn how to prepare the data for analysis. You will probably learn about how data is cleaned using pandas and a fundamental understanding of the concepts, but not an in depth overview of how you can practically implement these concepts in the real world. This gap between what is required by the industry and the knowledge that the individuals get through colleges can be bridged by a certificate course. A college degree is more of a theory driven learning experience, but when you go for a course, generally the course will focus more on a practical implementation, wherein you will not only be given a problem statement, but you will also be assisted in visualizing a solution for it using data analysis practices. Unlike traditional teaching methods, online courses are comparatively more flexible and continuously updated. This allows learners to access the most current industry knowledge and trends. Moreover, they offer in depth knowledge of topics that matter most in the field. The curriculum is usually more interactive with video lessons, quizzes, and projects that serve different learning styles. This is why online courses are a much better fit for today's fast changing world. Moreover, if you are a fresher and you have a certificate for the skills you claim to know, it gives you an edge in any interview and makes you stand out from all the other candidates that claim the same. So, if you are a beginner with little to no experience, then I'd say getting a certificate is a great way of getting started. But again, choosing the right course is very crucial. And if you have some experience with data, just collecting more certificates isn't going to add much value. Rather, you should focus on applying all that you've learned in real world applications. Let me quickly tell you about one such course by Google. According to this website, the Google Data Analytics certification teaches you how to be an entry level data analyst. But it misses out on a very important aspect, that is, how to get the job. For this very reason, after a lot of research on several courses out there, we found the best one for you. This course is run by the faculty of one of the most premium institutes, IIT, known for producing the best talents in the field of computer science. In this data science course by iHub IIT Roorkee, you will learn and receive direct mentorship from IIT faculty and industry experts working with the most cutting edge technology out there. Just gaining knowledge is again not enough, even if it is from IIT faculty. What really matters is, like I mentioned before, the skills you gain. And that is possible through practice. The more you practice, the better you get. But again, you don't have to worry about it because this course comes with 50 plus industry relevant projects and quizzes. Have a doubt? Stuck somewhere? No worries because there is 24/7 technical support teams available who will never let you feel lost. EY, a global leader in assurance, consulting, strategy, and transactions, carried out a professional audit of Intellipaat's programs, and this is what EY has to say about it. Fresher earned 30 LPA salary on completion of course. 53% of learners receive 50% and above salary hike. 85% of the learners achieved their learning objectives within 9 months of course completion. Learner satisfaction score was around 95%. Working professionals received 500% salary hikes. I have dropped the link below. You can visit it or you can call the numbers displayed for a free career consultation. One of our experienced career counselors will contact you and help you establish whether this product is a fit for you or not for absolutely free. Thank you for being here till the end of this video. I hope I was able to communicate some sort of value throughout this video. If you liked it, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Intellipaat's YouTube channel. See you in the next video.